Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the vices in livestock animal. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, the question arises that what is a vice? Simply, a vice is an undesirable quality or the faulty habits of an animal which will adversely affect its health, its performance, as well as the health and performance of the animal present in the group or the herd. Moving on, some vices can be dangerous and injurious to the animal owner, or both, and make the animal almost useless. So, for an example, if a cow is suffering from butting, the kicking habit, so no one is able to milk that particular cow. So, ultimately, the productivity of the farm from that particular cow will decrease and will make the animal useless in terms of economic benefits for the farm. Now, talking about the reasons behind the vices or the causes of vices is that if an animal is feeding on too liberal diet, lack of enough exercise and work, ill treatment and the bad managemental practices. Simply, the liberal diet means the relaxation in the original diet prescription of an animal present in the livestock and feeding it in a way that promotes the enjoyment of the food but never the quality of the life as well as the productivity of the animal and its overall spherical development. Same as the lack of enough exercise and work will make the animal more fat and obese and become a reason for arousement of the vices in the particular animal. The ill treatment and most important, the bad managemental practices are the prime reasons that a vice arises in any of the livestock animal. Now it brings us to the next topic, that is prevention of vices, that how one can prevent the arises of vices in a particular livestock farm. So one should follow the good managemental practices. He or she should follow these practices with a sensible mode of management, should provide regular work and exercise to the animal, treat the animal sympathetically and patiently, and don't ever try to bully them, and by isolating the animal from the rest of the herd. I think these points are quite clear. These are just the prevention measures one should follow to prevent the arousement and spreading of vices in a livestock farm. And I will just clarify the last point that states that by isolating the animal from the rest of herd, it simply want to say that if an animal is suffering from any of the disease or practicing any of the vices, that particular animal should be separated from rest of the herd because it can lead to the spread of the disease or the practicing of vices among all the animal present in the particular group or the herd. Now here we comes to our first vices that is found in the cases of cattle and buffaloes, that is kicking. So simply the kicking means to strike with the foot over the others. It may be the animal or the animal owner. This vice is mostly observed in the case of the cow, particularly during the first milking and in the cows feeling the fear and insecurity. So, if a cow or a buffalo or any of the livestock animal is just kicking their animal owners or other animals with the help of hind limb, then that particular animal is suffering from a vice known as the kicking. This kicking behavior is usually observed in the case of the cow, especially and particularly during the period of the first milking when they first start to milk after their first calving, or if they are feeling fear and insecurity, they start to kick over others, whether it is an animal or the animal owner. The reason behind this vice is that lack of enough patience, irritation, fear, mischievous behavior, estrus, or the faulty milking. Now, moving on, the prevention and the cure of the kicking vice, it may be controlled by applying anti-kicking straps above the hog joint during the case of milking, by holding the tail vertically high, or by passing it between the hind legs round the hog on the same side, and by applying a anti-cow kicker just above the hogs. So let's take an example. If a cow is suffering from this vice, particularly the kicking behavior, so while milking, it might feel insecure, fear, and start kicking the milkman. So the anti-cow kicker or the anti-kicking steps are applied above the hocks to prevent the kicking, or it can also be prevented just by taking the tail vertically high, or by passing it between the hind limbs and just round it on the hock joint on the same side of the legs. Here you can see in the first picture that the cow is kicking its milkman just as it might feel some fear or insecurity. So to prevent this kicking behavior, you can see in the second picture the anti-kicking straps or the anti-cow kicker is being applied above the hocks just to prevent the kicking and hurting of others by the animal. Moving on, the another faulty behavior found in the cattle and buffalo is the self-sucking. So as the name suggests, the animals start to suck their udder itself. The reason behind this faulty behavior lies in the bad managemental practices and the deficiency of the feeding, like the proper balanced diet is not being provided to the animal. So in the search of the food, they just start sucking their own udders. That forms the reason behind this faulty behavior. Now, first of all, just to prevent this vice, just separate the cow or the buffalo possessing the self-sucking behavior from the rest of the herd, as another cow or the animal might start practicing it by just looking the particular animal suffering. Another method to prevent this faulty behavior is the application of the muzzle on the cow or the buffalo's mouth, and apply the anti-sucking plate, which will form a barrier between the mouth and teats and prevent the self-sucking practice. Now here you can see in the first picture that how an animal is trying to suck their own udder, and in order to prevent this self-sucking behavior, a anti-sucking plate is applied, you can see in the second picture, which just forms a barrier between the mouth and the teeth and enables an animal to suck their own udder. Now moving on, the another bad habit found in the livestock animal, particularly the cattle and buffaloes, is the butting. So basically it is hurting of the animal or human beings with the help of horns. This behavior of butting or using of horns to hurt another animal or the human being arouses just because of the lack of feeding, insecurity and irritation to a particular things. Like if an animal is just confined in a captivity for so long, then it might start hurting other animals or the human beings just as it gets irritated. And in order to prevent this faulty behavior by the animal, one should practice the judicious management in a livestock farm in a sensible way by dehorning of the animals and by isolating the animal from the rest of the herd suffering from this butting behavior. Now here you can clearly see that how an animal is trying to hurt the another animal with the help of their horns. Now the another bad or the faulty habits found in the case of the cattle and buffaloes is the coprophagia. This is simply the habit of eating of its own feces or the excreta by the animal, and the reason behind the coprophagia may be due to the bad weather, indigestion, and half starved condition or the mineral deficiency. For an example, if the animal is not being fed on a balanced diet which will promote its overall good development, will make the animal to engage in such activity of eating their own feces just to fulfill their body demands. And in order to prevent this coprophagia behavior, one should provide the sufficient feed in the terms of the quality as well as the quantity. The judicious management of the manure and its proper disposal is also the prime way to prevent the coprophagia in animal. I hope you understand it well. We will continue with the rest of the vices, particularly in the case of the cattle, buffaloes, and the livestock animals in the upcoming videos. So till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.